You don't you dare get it twisted. Alibaba is the shit. Yo, like I was saying, man, don't get it twisted, man. Don't sleep on Alibaba. Alibaba is the shit, man, for real. I'm just gonna keep it funky with y'all. I do a lot of business on Alibaba. I find a lot of manufacturers. I find a lot of vendors on Alibaba. All right. I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. The problem is y'all ain't ready. The problem is y'all shook. And I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. All right, because I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of DMs. People asking me certain things, and then when I give them the information, they be like, "Oh, well, I looked into them, but I don't know who I could trust. I'm nervous. I'm this. I'm that. If scared money don't make money, baby. If you nervous, get up out the game. All right. Life is all about taking risks. All right. Now, you know, I can give you guys, you know, some of the vendors, that I deal with or have dealt with in the past. But I make these videos, but I ain't no consultant. Don't think you gonna hop in my DM and I'm gonna be messaging you back and forth for an hour or 2 hours. Nah, I'm not on that type of time. I keep trying to tell y'all. I'm not an influencer. I'm a real cat. I got a real life. I'm doing my own shit. All right. But once again, Alibaba is the truth. You can go on there. You can get yourself. You could get any and everything pertaining to your brand. You can get some custom labels made, some custom hang tags. You can get custom packaging. You can get you know, you can get jackets, hoodies, t-shirts. Even if you like if you're into like sneakers and stuff like that, you want to design your own shoe, Alibaba will hook you up. You just got to do your research, man. You got to put in time, it seems like nowadays, man, everybody just lazy. Don't nobody want to put that time in. Don't nobody want to put that work in to actually scroll through these websites and build these relationships. Now, before this video end, y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so y'all don't never miss nothing. All right, make sure y'all hit that Patreon link. My Patreon people, make sure you hit that Patreon link, down below. Join my Patreon so I can give you some exclusive information pertaining to how to build your brand. I might give you some of the Alibaba plugs over there too. You just never know. All right. Now, my people that's already signed up for my Patreon, they know. All right. So, like I was saying, like the majority of the stuff uh, I get made overseas, and I use Alibaba because it's cheaper. All right. I've used American manufacturers in the past as well, but you already know the price point when it comes to the prices. America ain't touching China. So you better off just getting your products manufactured overseas so you can make more money on the back end. Okay. I'm not doing that. I'm not putting the website up on this video. Y'all can, you know, go on that website yourself and navigate through that joint. It's real easy to navigate through. Just put in the search engine what you want. If you're looking for custom tees or patches or sneakers or jackets, slides, whatever, hang tags, packaging material, just put it in the search. And when I was first starting off, I would just look for the manufacturers that had the most experience, in the game. So I look for people that had been doing business for like 5 years plus. All right, and you can actually see on the website how many units they move and when you go on their separate account pages, you can see everything that they offer, and the website actually gives you an option to click on whatever you want, and actually message the manufacturer or the company and let them know what you're looking for. And the response time is, you know, pretty it's pretty quick, because they want your business. All right. The majority of the time they hit you back, and you guys just build that dialect from there. Let them know what you want. If you want a sample made, uh, they might ask you how many pieces you're gonna want made after your sample is done. And honestly, for everybody that's shook and scared, I've never been burnt, y'all. I've never been burnt using Alibaba, and I've never been burnt in life either, baby. um, Now, on a more serious note, yeah, I've never got beat for any of my money, and that's just that. I've always taken my chances. Even when if it gets to the point where I feel like the dialogue is not going into the direction that I want it to go in, as far as like price point. I'll just end the conversation, or I'll just be like, listen, nah, I feel like the price is too high for this particular item or items, and I'm not paying that. And then I try to negotiate the price if I feel like I want to do business with the company. If they can't accommodate me, I just move on. There's other entities out there. You don't have to just focus on one entity. All right. Um. What else can I say about the company? The company is huge. To give you like a real, like, just compare. It's like the freaking Amazon. It's like Amazon, but in China. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the equivalent. So don't look at it as like some, like, bootleg website that's selling like bullshit or what have you. Nah, they pretty much legit. All right. And if you navigate through that joint, like if you dig deep, depending on what you're looking for, you can actually see and find some manufacturers and some vendors that's making the products and materials for these big name companies that you're used to hearing about and purchasing things from in the United States. All right, now I'm not gonna get into any like particular names or whatnot, because that's not what this video is for. All right, this video is pretty much, basically, bigging up Alibaba, for holding me down all these years. And this ain't even no like paid promotion. I ain't, I'm not an affiliate of them. I'm not a partner of Alibaba. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. Y'all know, I always keep it real. Um, so definitely newbies, or if you already been in the game for a while, if you're looking for anything, make sure you check out, Alibaba. All right. And y'all, some of y'all get it twisted too, man. Like, listen, man, I'm not the end all be all, yo. I'm not the end all be all. Don't just think you're gonna come to my channel and that's it. Nah, I'm not. Listen, there's more bigger channels out there that's giving out valuable information. So don't get in my DMs, sweating me, trying to argue with me. Oh, yo, you ain't leave this link for this. You ain't leave this address for that. And you trying to, like, just, get your YouTube views up and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I am at the end of the day. I am. You know what? I am trying to get my YouTube views up, and what? But still, I'm still giving out some valuable shit. All right. And if I wasn't, you wouldn't be here. Right. So, to keep it more on a more positive note, y'all be on the lookout. I got some more things coming. I'll show y'all when they get in. All right. But once again, I'm going to leave it on this note. Make sure you hit my Patreon. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you share this video so I can continue to grow. All right, I see myself. This is pretty much like my second year going hard body with this whole YouTube thing and giving out all this valuable information, and I'm pleased on my progression. All right, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope everybody have a good, prosperous new year, and I'll check y'all out on the next video. All right, till then, let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.